Hello and welcome back to DriveTracker. In this video, we'll be going over what to do if DriveTracker software cannot uniquely identify or geocode an address. Let's start by entering an example address that DriveTracker might not be able to match. If DriveTracker cannot geocode this address to a unique location on the map, you'll receive a message that reads, "No exact match. Please review possible addresses below." If you receive that message, scroll down to the field below Create Directions that reads Possible Address Matches. There, you'll see the address that you entered, and upon clicking on that address, you'll see a drop-down list of possible matches. The map will also automatically zoom in, and you'll see the locations of possible matches on the map, marked by zeros. From the drop-down list that appears, you can select the address that you're looking for. That address will then be added to the map as before. If you entered multiple addresses that the software could not geocode, the next ambiguous address will appear in the same field and you can simply repeat the same process. As you can see, the same error message pops up, and if you scroll down to possible address matches, you'll see the address that you entered. If you no longer wish to include an ambiguous address, you can click on the X to the right of that address. That address will then be removed from your route entirely. If an address with a significant typo is entered, DriveTracker might not be able to produce any possible address matches. This might occur if a space is accidentally omitted somewhere in the address. For example, if you enter the address 4260 Northeast Star Drive as 4260 Nestar Drive on accident, you'll receive a message that geocode was not successful for the following reason: 0 results. You can just click OK to get rid of this message. Similarly, if you enter the address incorrectly by either importing a file that contains it or by pasting it using the Paste Locations button, you'll receive a similar error message. Once again, DriveTracker had a problem attempting to geocode the address, and 0 results were returned. To get rid of this error message, you can just click the X. To fix the error, try typing the address into the autocomplete field where you can enter single addresses. Even if you enter the address with the error, plausible alternatives will pop up in the drop-down list that appears. If you see the address that you're looking for, you can click on it from that list, click the plus button, and that address will then be added to your route. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to optimize your route using DriveTracker.